Hi, this is Stone with Actionable Insights. Welcome to this week's Monday Minute. This is hurricane season, guys. Not only have our lives been disrupted by a hurricane last week, we're in the midst of destruction from another hurricane. This is an especially busy time for the insurance restoration ecosystem. Catastrophic events have shaped and impacted both our world and our industry severely. Not only is it harder to acquire basics such as power, food, water, it's very expensive and problematic for first responders to operate in this environment. This is exactly why Verisk introduced 3 new catastrophe-related line items in June of this year. If you haven't seen our June Plus video yet, follow this link. Here's what we got. Fee E-Lodge, Fee E-Meal, Fee E-Mob. These are all bid items. Primarily, these are intended to be used in catastrophic event mobilization where concessions are needed for food, for lodging, for expenses related to responding to a disaster. These are for expenses that come up during these claims, and as we know, when there are no line items for something, the claim is harder to settle. These now exist as line items as a template for all parties involved to use in settling claims. Please note the additional item information on these line items. They specifically state they should only be considered when necessary or warranted. Ultimately, it's up to the parties involved to determine if this is necessary. So guys, use these tools as needed and warranted with thoughtful F9 documentation and transparency with all parties involved. Thanks for checking in on this week's Monday Minute, guys. Be safe in this hurricane season. Keep learning and growing.